Okay, friends, they've given complimentary this chips with honey mustard along. So we ordered this boat mandi. So until then, waiting for this boat mandi, it's take 15 minutes to 20 minutes to prepare this order. So now we are going to taste this chips with mustard. First time tasting with chips with honey mustard. They mixed honey to this mustard. Let's taste.
Nice.
Nice. Looks like mayonnaise, but mixed taste of honey in this mayonnaise. Stay. Okay, friends. Finally, we received this boat mandi in Friday. So first time we are here in Friday. This one of the trending boat mandi in Qatar. So we have tried come here to try this boat mandi along with Mr. Finance. So we will taste this review and we will give back to you. So the food platter is like this. This is mixed platter. It comes with mixed platter. It comes with mutton mandi, chicken mandi. Then this is fried chicken, and this is fish mandi. And special, there honey mustard special sauce, and this is Friday special sauce. They have given today for us Friday special sauce, and this is coleslaw. They specially made for us coleslaw, and they have given two types of garlic paste, and this is fish mandi paste. This is fish chutney, and this is one more two chutneys they have given. So lot of tomato chutney. So lot of varieties of the platters are here. So I don't know which one to start. So come on, let's taste one by one. The presentation is awesome, excellent. Impression gives the best. The smoke was coming from here when we are coming. The boat smoke, I think. So we will. This is mandi rice and this is buhari rice, yellow color. So we will taste this. So they like boat. We have to take one by one. So we will taste this rice, mandi rice. Let me taste this mandi rice. Wow, mandi rice. Slowly, and this is, we will taste this buhari rice. This yellow color is buhari rice. Very famous in Saudi. We went to Saudi, so we tasted this buhari rice. So there are two types of rices here. So we will keep here. So first we will taste this rice, different types of. This is mandi rice. Excellent taste. Finance. This is like I'll feel like smoky fragrance and buhari rice. So we will taste this buhari rice. Buhari rice, it's like sweet because they added what to tell this, grapes, dry grapes. So it's like gives sweet little bit taste. So first we will try with fish. I think this is sea bass fish. Sea bass fish they have given. Very big fish they have given. Sea bass. See? We will taste. Fresh fish. Well, tasting the fish only we can make out it fresh. And we will try this chicken. After fish, we will try this chicken. Barbecue chicken. Big piece. Excellent taste. Taste is awesome. No words to tell. The perfection of barbecue process of making this chicken. Ultimate. Where level. Next level. And we will taste this mandi also. I mean mutton. Very well cooked mutton this. Finally, we will taste this fried chicken. KFC fried chicken.
KFC the
Fried chicken.
fried chicken.
Mm.
I feel it's better more than KFC. Crispy.
Very nice. I think it's better than KFC fried chicken. Very nice, crispy and very nice tasty also. Given this mustard, honey mustard sauce. Honey mustard sauce. One of the best sauce I have ever had in this Qatar, because sauce including honey is next level taste. Let's see the taste also. And one more sauce. This is usually they will give this sauce during time of Friday weekends, but today they specially made for us. Let's taste this also. So let's taste this also. Sauce is very excellent taste. They have made this sauce with the tomato. And what is this? This is
Cauliflower.
cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Their signature, it seems. This sauce, cauliflower signature. Cauliflower is like the ultimate taste. They've made with cabbage and carrot and some crunchy. They've used chips. Excellent taste. Never tasted like this kind of sausages in this Qatar restaurants and all. Very excellent. It's very nice. Okay, friends. We will finish this boAT Mandi here in Friday. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you like my channel, please subscribe SR Exciting Vlogs so that you will get next trending food vlogs in Qatar. Until then, signing out from Sayed, SR Exciting Vlogs. Bye-bye. Bye.